Hi everyone, my name is Nora. Today I'm so excited to tell you my fun hotel story. It's my first time staying in a luxury hotel, and I want to share everything with you. Listen carefully to the whole story, okay? Because I'm going to share many new and useful English words related to hotels with you. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next parts. It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Are you ready? Let's start. When I arrived at the hotel, the first thing I saw was a revolving door. A revolving door is a special door that turns around and around. It was so much fun to walk through it. I felt like I was entering a magic world. I smiled the whole time. Right after that, I stepped into a big, bright lobby. The lobby is the main entrance hall of the hotel. It was beautiful. There were soft chairs, pretty lights, and fresh flowers everywhere. I felt so welcome already. Next, I walked to the reception desk. The reception desk is the counter where you check in and get your room key. The lady behind the desk smiled at me and said, "Welcome to our hotel." She was very kind and helpful. A nice man came to help me with my bags. He was the concierge. A concierge is a hotel worker who helps guests with their luggage and any questions they have. He brought a luggage trolley for my suitcases. A luggage trolley is a cart with wheels. It made my heavy bags so easy to move. I didn't have to carry anything. Thank you, concierge. Then we went to the elevator. The elevator was fast and quiet. We went up smoothly to my floor. After the lift, we walked along a long corridor. A corridor is a hallway that leads to all the rooms. The corridor was clean and quiet, with soft carpets and nice pictures on the walls. I felt a little excited and a little lost because it was so long, but the concierge showed me the way. Wow, what a nice welcome. I already love this hotel. Finally, the concierge opened the door and said,
This is your room, Miss Nora.
"Wow." I stepped inside and couldn't believe my eyes. The room was so beautiful. First, I saw a separate lounge, or living room. A lounge or living room is a comfortable area with a sofa where you can sit, relax, and talk with friends. It felt like a small home inside the hotel, but the bedroom was my favorite part. When I walked in, I saw the big bed covered with beautiful rose petals. Rose petals are the soft parts of rose flowers. The hotel put them on the bed to make it look romantic and special. I felt like a princess. So pretty and fragrant. I sat down gently on the bed. It had a very soft pillow. A pillow is what you put your head on when you sleep. It was so comfortable. The bed also had a thick duvet. A duvet is a warm blanket filled with soft material. It is much thicker than a normal blanket, so I knew I would sleep very well at night. Next to the bed was a small bedside table. A bedside table is a little table right beside the bed. You can put your lamp, phone, or a book there. In American English, people sometimes call it a nightstand. Then I looked at the big windows. They had lovely curtains. Curtains are pieces of cloth that cover the windows to keep the light out or make the room dark. I wanted to see the view outside, so I drew the curtains. Draw the curtains means to pull them open. You can also say draw when you open or close curtains. After that, I opened the sliding doors to the balcony. Sliding doors are doors that move smoothly left and right. They were so easy to open, and the fresh air came in. The view was amazing. I went back to the lounge, sat on the sofa, and hugged the soft cushion. A cushion is a small pillow for decoration, usually on a sofa. It's different from a pillow you use for sleeping. The cushion made the sofa feel even more comfortable. Wow, what a perfect room. I already felt so relaxed and happy. I think I'm going to love staying here. After relaxing on the sofa with the soft cushion, I started to feel a little hungry. I looked around the room and saw a beautiful fruit basket on the table. The first fruit I noticed was a guava. A guava is a sweet tropical fruit, green outside and pink inside. It looked so fresh and delicious. I picked up a fork to eat it. The fork has sharp prongs. Prongs are the pointed parts at the end of the fork, like little teeth. I used the prongs to pierce the guava. Pierce means to push something sharp into the fruit to cut or open it. The juice came out and it tasted amazing. The hotel gave me many complimentary things. Complimentary means free. Gifts from the hotel that you don't have to pay for. I really appreciated that. In the corner of the room, there was also a minibar. A minibar is a small fridge inside the hotel room. It has drinks and snacks inside for guests. When I opened the minibar, I found some sweets. Sweets are candies or chocolates. In British English, we say sweets, but in American English, people say candy. They looked so colorful and tasty. There were also cold cans of juice and soda. A can is a metal container for drinks, like a can of cola or beer. I poured some juice into 2 different glasses. One glass was transparent. Transparent means you can see clearly through it, like a glass made of real glass. The other glass was opaque. Opaque means you cannot see through it, like a ceramic mug. I drank from the transparent glass because I love to see the beautiful color of the juice. Wow, everything in the room was so nice and fresh. The complimentary fruits and drinks made me feel really special. I was full and happy. In the afternoon, after enjoying the complimentary fruits and drinks in my room, I wanted to move my body and have some fun. So I changed my clothes and went downstairs to the hotel's pool area. The first thing I saw was a beautiful big swimming pool. The swimming pool was full of clear blue water and looked very inviting. Right next to the pool, there was a bright orange life ring. A life ring is a round float that can help save people if they have trouble swimming. It made me feel safe and relaxed. The water had a strong smell of chlorine. Chlorine is a chemical they use to keep the pool clean and kill any bacteria. I swam for a while and it felt so refreshing. After swimming, I went to the hotel gym next door. I decided to do some cardio. Cardio means exercises that make your heart beat faster, like running or cycling. It's really good for your body. First, I ran on the treadmill. A treadmill is a machine where you can walk or run in one place. It doesn't move forward. I ran for 15 minutes and felt my heart getting stronger. Then I picked up some dumbbells. Dumbbells are small weights that you hold in your hands to make your arms stronger. They were not too heavy and I did some easy lifts. Later, I tried using an exercise ball. An exercise ball is a big round ball for yoga and balance exercises. I tried to sit on it and do some stretches. It was fun but a little wobbly, and I laughed a lot. After all that exercise, I felt very parched. Parched means extremely thirsty. My mouth was so dry, so I quickly drank a big glass of cold water to quench my thirst. Quench your thirst means to drink something and finally stop feeling thirsty. Ah, it felt so good. I was tired but super happy and full of energy. The pool and gym were the best parts of the hotel. In the evening, after swimming and doing lots of exercise at the gym, I felt very tired but also super hungry. I didn't want to go down to the restaurant, so I decided to call room service for the first time. It was so exciting. A few minutes later, the friendly waiter knocked on my door and brought my special dinner right into the room. Wow, the aroma was incredible. Aroma means a beautiful, pleasant smell. You can also say scent or smell. The warm, delicious scent of fresh herbs and hot food filled the whole room and made me smile immediately. The waiter put a nice metal jug on the table. A jug is a container with a handle that you use to pour liquids. I poured the hot, creamy soup from the jug into my bowl. It was smooth and easy, and the soup looked so comforting. For dessert, I ordered a warm chocolate lava cake. When I gently cut into the middle with my spoon, the rich melted chocolate started to ooze out slowly. Ooze means to flow out gently and slowly. It looked so rich and tempting. I couldn't wait to taste it. The whole meal was very nourishing. Nourishing means it gives your body good energy and healthy nutrition. After a long day of swimming, cardio, and exploring the hotel, this dinner made me feel strong, happy, and perfectly relaxed again. I ate slowly, enjoying every bite while looking at the beautiful night view from my balcony. What a perfect way to end my wonderful hotel adventure.